Hello and welcome back to Weyermann's Whimsy. We are going to make a out-of-the-box card using the Batter Up May 2021 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So I have chosen to use the envelope flaps along with the tailored tag punch and the stamp "You're the Best" in Pacific Point. Now, Pacific Point is one of my favorite colors and I hardly ever use it, so I'm really pleased that I can use it. So I haven't put this card together yet, but I have stamped the "You're the Best" and I used one of the base plate shapes from the die cuts, and I stamped it and then I cut the bottom off because this has the kind of gray splotched background that this does, and it goes really well with it. If I used just plain white, it was really kind of bright and didn't kind of fit. So that's stamped in Pacific Point and matted in Pacific Point, and it's got dimensionals on it. So what I've done with this is I have squared up the envelope flap, and I am going to glue it down with adhesive to the middle of the card. I'm using one of the cards from the kit. And the nice thing about this is you can match it up with the lines so that you know that you're straight. There you go. Okay, so we've got that on there. We're going to dimensionalize the "You're the Best" in the middle, and then I'm going to show you something really nifty with the shapes that I cut out using the tailored tag. So I'm just going to place this down in the middle, make sure it's straight, and there we go. Okay, so when we use these, we can place them down on here and we can line them up so that the lines create a rectangle. So when you put these down, you can create a secondary shape with the initial shape. It's really kind of neat how you can now make a rectangle with these. So I'm just going to put some adhesive on the back, and then we will see how it goes best. Sometimes you need to turn it around to make sure that you've got the right fit. And that looks good right there. So we're just going to pop that down like that. We'll do the same with the top, and that's the card. As simple as that, using elements from the kit. It's just another way to create a card outside the box. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this, and stay tuned for more outside the box videos using the May 2021 Paper Pumpkin Kit called Batter Up.